Greetings from the unofficial nudist beach in Ayia, Napa on the 2nd of January 2024, and today is day 13 of my winter vacation in Ayia, Napa, Cyprus. So it is 8:30 a.m. and I have been running for 5 kilometers from my hotel, Ayia Napa Sun Prime Suites, exactly 5 kilometers to here. And I wanted to catch also the nudist beach, also how it is in the sunrise hours, as the sun rose maybe 1.5 hours ago, and now it's already high up. But I wanted to do morning beach adventure, as I have only 2 days left now from my vacation. So I have shown you this beach 2 times before this weeks, and also 1 time during my summer vacation when I was here. So this one is located between Amos Kamburi and Limnara beach, and it's as I mentioned, unofficial nudist beach, as it is not allowed in Cyprus to be nude on the beach actually. And there is also parking nearby for this beach, and there is nobody here this morning except me in the whole horizon here. but that's as expected, as it is winter season here, despite being right now around 16 degrees maybe, and later during the day it's gonna be 20 degrees Celsius. The sea yesterday was around 19.4. I need to check today's stats, but it's still in the marks between 19 and 20 degrees Celsius. So let's then get ready for a swim at this nudist beach here in Ayia, Napa. And the nudist beach is much better when there are no waves, because with the waves it is very hard to get into the water actually. And now it's so beautiful with the sun. We're gonna have a few glimpses of sunshine today, but also some clouds. But yeah, the second day of the year starts off with a beach adventure, so that's amazing indeed. So last time when I was here, I know it was a lot of waves that were in water all over this place here, this part. Right now the sea is calm, and you can see the beautiful color of the sea, turquoise. Very nice. So beautiful. Look at that. All right, it's time for the first swim of the 2nd January, the first beach adventure. So yes, greetings from this nudist beach here in Ayia, Napa, Cyprus. So let's then take a swim together. Oh my god, it's brilliant, fantastic, so nice. What a beautiful day to start the day. Look at the scenery, it's spectacular. I just love these types of scenery, it's amazing. And the sun makes it a lot better. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I need to run back to the hotel, 5 kilometers. So that's nice with a little bit of motion in the morning. 10k in total plus beach adventure. Perfect way to start the second day of 2024. So, greetings from this nudist beach in Ayia, Napa, Cyprus. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!